this way. Actually, this is the floor plan. If you want to have a little more, it's very easy to understand. You have the rooms on the sides, junior suite front facing the water, and then you have corner suite on each side of the building, front facing the Eiffel Tower and Notre-Dame. So it's three main categories basically, and at the back we don't have any rooms because this is La Samaritaine. So we're gonna see the 611, which is the Notre-Dame Suite. So it's gonna be just here.
So Notre-Dame Suite.
So this one is really nice because you have a large living room, as you can see, so which is very comfy for families. It can be outdoor connecting as well, and you have the view over the Louis Vuitton headquarters.
This one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All the furniture and all the design has been made by Peter Marino.
No, very good. Very light design.
It's very neat, very bright. Have a little example of the amenities we provide with the pastries. I mean, the signature pastry are from our chef, Maxime Frédéric. And what is very nice with this suite is that on the 6th floor you do have private balconies as well.
So private balcony only in this.
Only on the 6th floor, yeah. So let's have a look on the bedroom. What is nice in the bedroom is that you have this little winter garden, we call it. It's like an indoor terrace.
Enjoy Paris.
Yeah, enjoying the view. I mean, it's overlooking the Pont Neuf, which is the oldest bridge in Paris, so there's a lot of history, obviously. And again, as you can see, the design is very neat. So with the colors, I mean, it's always very subtle. We have the white, gold, and blue green, and the bathroom is going to be this way in all the rooms and suites.
So bathroom very big.
Yeah, this one is about 100 square meters, so you have a large space. The amenities are really cute too. I mean, you are very generous with the amenities. There's a lot inside. And this is a beauty bar also to keep the product fresh.
Mm-hmm.
And as you can see in the shape of the bottle, you have the shape of the building, which is also very cute. It's about 70 amenities per rooms and suite, so we are really generous.
Mm-hmm. So back with Dior Cosmetics.
The collaboration
No.
is with Dior, yes.
Mm-hmm. So this connected door. Mm-hmm.
And this
Connect.
is the total toilets, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And we can check the mini bar on the other side if you want to as well, which
Mm-hmm.
is hidden just here. We have here all the beautiful mini bar with the different bottles of the group, Renard, Clicquot.
Mm-hmm.
We have the different candles for each property. We have here also a little wine cellar. And all the snacking, obviously.
Mm-hmm.